How to set up free shipping on Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to add a sale price to Shopify. So first of all, log into your Shopify account and open your store dashboard. Once you are in, from the bottom left corner, click on Settings. Here, from the menu, click on Shipping and Delivery. Now under the Shipping section, open the General Shipping Rates where you want to add free shipping. Next, scroll down a bit, and here you will see local and international zone shipping rates. The method is the same for local and international shipping. Simply click on the Add Rate option and a new menu will pop up on the screen. In the custom rate name, type free shipping. Next, in the pricing field, do not add any amount to set it free. Also click on Add Conditional Pricing and you will see some extra options. Here, add the condition based on order price. Simply set the minimum price to offer free shipping and leave the maximum blank to make it available on orders above the minimum. After making all these changes, click on the Done button, and that's it. This is how you can set up free shipping on Shopify. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.